a birthday card. Gigi, help you. Okay, pull it out. Open it up.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Open it up.
It's
Come on.
oh,
Oh.
Gotta keep it wide
it
open.
open.
Okay,
Yeah.
see what's in the bag.
Okay, see what's in the bag.
Come here.
No, Gracie, those are your brothers.
You let Gigi hold your card.
Yeah, baby.
yes. Like this.
Wow.
See? This supposed to do out.
Here, Tommy, show Mommy.
That might be important.
Do you have the blue?
Wow.
Hey, look what else is in there.
And they're supposed to do trap.
Wow, tracks.
All right, that's from Uncle.
Tracks too.
Well, wait, you get home and Mommy and Daddy
Tell
will
Uncle
help
Stephen
you.
and Christina thank you.
Thank you.
They're not here.
Here,
Mommy's gonna send it to them.
Gracie, girl, you can't go get that.
Tell them thank you on the camera. Anthony, look at Mommy and say, tell Uncle Steve thank you.
Well, baby, I
Tell
know.
him
Thank you, Uncle
Thank
Stephen.
you,
I know
Uncle
how we can
Stephen.
Say, I like my card too.
I like this car too.